Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to cook cube steak and gravy. First, pat your cube steak dry with paper towels and season both sides generously with salt and black pepper. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, sear the seasoned steak for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until a beautiful brown crust forms. This step is crucial for developing deep flavor. Now that our cube steak is beautifully seared, let's start on that delicious gravy. Remove the seared steak from the skillet and set it aside. To the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and let it melt. Then, sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, whisking constantly. Cook this mixture, known as a roux, for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's a light golden brown. This forms the essential base for our rich gravy. With our roux ready, it's time to transform it into a luscious gravy. Gradually pour in 2 cups of beef broth, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. Keep whisking until the mixture is smooth. Next, stir in about a half teaspoon of garlic powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper for extra flavor. Bring the gravy to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally, and watch it thicken beautifully. This step builds the gravy's body. Finally, let's bring it all together for a truly comforting meal. Carefully return the seared cube steak pieces to the simmering gravy in the skillet. Make sure the steak is mostly submerged in the rich sauce. Cover the skillet with a lid and reduce the heat to low. Let it gently simmer for about 45 to 60 minutes. This slow cooking process will make the cube steak incredibly tender and infuse it with all the wonderful gravy flavors. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.